Hello, Algebra Prep. Today we are finding the greatest common factor. We've got three different terms here. The main difference is today there's a numeric part and then also a variable part. So how I want to do this is I want to start with the numeric part of each term. And we're going to use a little bit different of a method today. We are going to write each of these in prime factored form. So 21, I'm going to go ahead and just make a factor tree for each of these. So 3 times 7 is 21, and we would write that in prime factored form as 3 times 7. 18, we would write, well, maybe 3 times 6, but then 6 factors to 2 times 3. So in prime factored form, 2 times 3 times 3. And we'll do the same thing with 45. Maybe we would choose, say, 5 times 9, and then 9 factors to 3 times 3. So we would get 3 times 3 times 5. Okay? And then we'll take just a moment, and we are going to consider this variable part. So m to the 7th, really all that means is m times itself 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M times itself 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then if I have enough room, I've got m times itself 8 times. Maybe I'll just write that just below here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So the main thing you need to consider here when you're finding the greatest common factor is what is the biggest thing that's common to every single term. So what I will do is just start with the numeric part and say, well, there's a 3 that's common to all the terms. But as far as the numeric part goes, that's the only thing that's common to all 3 terms. We've got a 7 here. There's no other 7s. Okay, there's a 2 and another 3 over here, but there's only one 3 here. So the biggest thing that's common to all 3 terms is just 3. Okay, now as far as the numeric part goes, I've got m times itself 6 times here. I've got m times itself 6 times here, and then one more for 7. Then I've got m times itself 8 times here. So there's essentially m to the 6th is common to all 3 terms. So if I want to know what the GCF is, well, the GCF is 3m to the 6th. So if you just want to look at this, one good way to know that is just, if you notice an m term in each, we're just looking for the smallest exponent. There's m to the 6th, m to the 7th, m to the 8th. Well, the greatest thing common to all 3 is m to the 6th. Have a great day, folks.